Well, we are now joined by Rhythm Anand Bhardwaj, who is there right at a, she is in a position to speak to Colonel Shrikant Purohit, whose case continues to drag on. Rhythm, first over to you. Is Shrikant Purohit going to be speaking? Can we try and get him?
All right. All right, Arnab, exactly. It's been a very tough 8 years and 9 months that he spent in prison. Let's quickly go across to Lieutenant Colonel Prasad Purohit. Prasad Purohit, the first question we want to ask you about your
He won't
proceedings.
speak.
Just a few questions, Colonel Prasad Purohit. How was this ordeal for you?
I will not speak anything about the case.
Okay,
Nothing.
I just want some questions to
please.
be answered by you that my editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami is putting to you. Arnab, just one question.
No, I will
some
not say-
questions.
Colonel
I will not say
Purohit,
anything about this.
Colonel Purohit, I request you to speak to us for a while. This is Arnab here. Colonel Purohit, what do you feel about your case so far? It's been going on for some time now without a firm conclusion. Colonel Purohit, please,
I'm very
what do you
sorry,
feel?
I will
Please,
not be able to answer
yeah,
anything with regards
but-
the case. I'm very sorry.
No,
I'm very
you
sorry.
don't have to specifically speak about the case. But Colonel Purohit, my question to you is, and what people would like to know, is that why were you persecuted? Why did the system come after you?
I cannot speak here. I cannot speak. Please tell him I cannot speak.
About your ordeal, tell Arnab, tell Republic
No,
about
it
the
is-
ordeal that you went through.
Okay, now it is. We are pursuing the case at whatever level, and I am hopeful things will turn out to
Are
be
you-
well. Only thing is, this
Are you
time is killing me. That
satisfied?
is
Are
what
you
I can say.
satisfied, Colonel Purohit, with the progress in your case?
Satisfied, Colonel Purohit, with the progress in your case?
No, it is taking time. That's what I can say. And I'm waiting for the things to speed up as far as the hearings in the Supreme Court are concerned. Let us see what happens in the High Court, isn't it? Yes.
And for
That is all I can say.
for 8 years and 4 months you were in jail, and you were tortured. At that point of time, why were you targeted, Colonel Purohit? Why did the system come after you? Please tell us.
No, I can't say this. I can't say this. This is the matter is sub judice. I can't say anything on this.
But also about your very strong feelings of nationalism, like Arnab Goswami is asking you, Colonel Prasad Purohit.
I have told you earlier also. Need not repeat the same things again. This is what we are taught in the armed forces. We are to take the orders from the seniors and follow them. That is all I can say, and that's why we are known for.
Colonel
Okay,
Purohit,
we are not here to question
I-
our seniors
we very
and
much
not to question
appreciate-
our top man.
very
We
much
just follow the orders, and that's what we do.
I
That's
very
why
much
all I can say.
appreciate what you are saying, but please at least tell our viewers this: that do you think that the UPA government, the system came after you, made a target of you in the absence of proof,
can't say this.
and why was this the case?
Nothing I will not be able to say anything about nothing. I must.
Okay, Colonel
About your
Purohit, there is one thing which you must share with us. Is it true that you had infiltrated Pakistan's intelligence, Pakistan's ISI? This has been also reported. Can you please confirm this? That in the course of your duty,
You talk now.
that you had in fact infiltrated Pakistan's intelligence agencies.
I can't say. My lawyer will talk about it.
But Colonel Prasad Purohit, can we at least ask you about the other things, about your secularism aspects and everything? On those aspects, what can you tell us, sir? On secularism, etc., you have
Nothing.
spoken about nationalism. On the Major Aditya case, if you can speak on that.
As I said-
Stone pelters, etc., what would you say on that, sir?
As I said, we are working for the services. We are working for the army, and we follow our orders.
Did you infiltrate
About your
Abhinav Bharat?
citations.
Did
Your
you infiltrate
citations for
Abhinav
military
Bharat?
attacks,
What-
that's not in this case.
Nothing. I can't say anything. Please, no, I will not say anything about all these things. Please, it's sub judice. I will not say anything about this. I cannot say this. I am not supposed to.
What about the
Sir,
case?
if I were to
does
ask
the
you,
latest
if I were
case
to
of
ask you,
Mr.
Colonel
Shopian
Purohit,
Stone
this whole
pelters
charge
case?
of saffron terror, that you were involved in saffron terror, can you at least respond to that charge? Because that charge has been made against you again and
I
again.
can't. Please stop.
What do you feel of the charge of saffron
Stop it.
terror?
I
At
need
least
to
give us your
leave. I mean, the
perspective on
courtroom
that.
Don't do this. It is difficult. I need to leave now. Okay? Please stop.
Okay, Colonel Prasad Purohit, even as you're not talking on these aspects,
Okay, I can
let me
understand.
ask you just
Yeah,
a
yeah.
simple question. There has been the Major Aditya case also. There's been a Major Aditya case also. In that case, stone pelters and others have been released, but Major Aditya apparently named in the FIR. What would you say on that, sir?
We do our duties, and no one should get punished for doing his duty. No one should be targeted for doing his duty.
But Colonel Purohit, you were
And this is
accused
the
of
ethos of our army,
saffron
to
terrorism.
work on the orders of seniors. Nothing.
You were also working on orders, but a charge of saffron terrorism was made against you. I think Rhythm,
Nothing I
Do you
can
think
say.
the
Nothing I
government-
can
You
say.
don't want to talk about the government at that time?
Nothing about it. Okay. Nothing about it. Please.
Not talking on your case, we can understand, Colonel Prasad Purohit, but we're asking you about the ordeal that
Colonel
you suffered.
Purohit,
We've heard about
Colonel
how you
Purohit,
were
one
beaten up.
question, please.
We've heard about how
one
you were
question,
paraded.
just one question, please. At least I request you. One question, if you can take from us. Colonel Purohit, just one last question, and then I'll let you go. One last question. One last question, please. Colonel Purohit, please listen to me. 76 army officers
Yes.
told the Commission
Yes.
of Inquiry that you shared all the information with them during your military intelligence days, including your top boss, Colonel Riker. In fact, even the captain who accused you came out and said he was forced at gunpoint to do so. Can you at least tell me this, that do you feel, Colonel Purohit, and I'm asking you with all sincerity, that you became a political punching bag? Can you at least tell me your view on that?
No, I can't comment upon this. I'm very sorry.
But sir, when army officers were supporting you and yet the UPA government was talking against you, nothing on that, nothing?
Nothing.
It's all sub judice.
It's all sub judice.
Okay. But sir, the questions about how you spoke about Major Aditya's case
I will
and-
just say, whether Major Aditya or whether anyone, it's the professional hazard, that's all. Okay?
and you continue to be a part of the serving army.
Oh,
Continue to be a serving army officer.
very much.
Sir,
Colonel
everybody
Purohit.
who's watching this broadcast and
Colonel
all of is also
Purohit.
joining us
Colonel
on the broadcast.
Colonel Purohit, one thing. I have my sources tell me you had infiltrated the Pakistani intelligence. Can you at least say yes or no to that? Just that you had infiltrated the Pakistani intelligence.
All right,
Okay.
Arnab, even as those questions are being asked to him, and it is the longest conversation that he's actually had with anyone that he had with you, we would tell our viewers that yes, he had, our sources tell us, infiltrated the Pakistan's ISI, and it's on record. He has got citations from the Indian Army in 2001, 2006 and 2005 also. He's been a decorated army officer. He doesn't want to speak on record on these matters that are sub judice, but first
Absolutely.
time coming on record and speaking to Republic, Colonel Prasad Purohit has made it abundantly clear he's still fighting the system. The fact that he has to come to the Supreme Court, knock on the doors of the Supreme Court and continue to say, give me some sort of help. It's not coming easy. It's
Well,
something that he
to
has
some
to keep
extent,
demanding
Rhythm,
for.
I'm
And this
sure
is
that
coming
he would
at a
be
time, Arnab,
he
when
would be
he's
apprehensive
really
about
asking for
going
some
into
sort of
great
justice
detail.
here. We will also tell our viewers there was this big fight that broke out between the NIA and the ATS on his case. Now the question of Hindu terror that has been propagated, he's also, his lawyer in fact has said, look at the handwritten letters of Lieutenant Colonel Prasad Purohit. These letters clearly prove that he had in fact stated there are certain people going to Pakistan. There are Indian politicians who are going to Pakistan at a time when they should be staying in India, and these are the people who need to be questioned. He had attacked the UPA government in those letters, but this is not something he can speak on because the UPA government, the matter is sub judice. But first time giving an interview to Republic, Lieutenant Colonel Prasad Purohit clearly saying he's still suffering because the case continues to go on, Arnab.
Absolutely, Rhythm. I hand it back to you. I think to some extent he would be apprehensive about going into things in detail, but he heard the question about whether he had infiltrated the Pakistani intelligence and he did not deny it, which I think speaks for itself.